Lesson number 7, Rules. To use adverbs English with Professor Khan. Adverbs should be so placed in a sentence as to make it quite clear which word or words they are intended to modify. Hence adverbs should come, if possible, next to the word or words they modify. Rule 1. As a general rule, only should be placed immediately before the word it is intended to modify. I worked only 2 sums. Only Aslam succeeded in scoring a century. I praise him only when he deserves it. Rule 2. The adverbs ever, never, scarcely, ever are often misplaced as in the following sentence. Quite the most remarkable article we ever remember to have read. Say, we remember ever. Rule 3. 2 negatives destroy each other. Hence, 2 negatives should not be used in the same sentence unless we wish to make an affirmation. We should say, I haven't got any, not none. I could not find it anywhere, not nowhere. I have not got any, not no, paper for my exercise. I can't see any, not no, wit in her. Rule 4. Adjectives should not be used for adverbs. We should say, for instance, he ate the sweets greedily, not greedy. He will pay dearly, not dear, for his mistake. Rule 5. Ever is sometimes misused for never. We seldom or never, not ever, see those forsaken who trust in God. Such goods are made for export, and are seldom or never, not ever, used in the country. Rule 6. Else should be followed by but. It is nothing else but not than pride. Rule 7. The use of never for not is incorrect. We met the other day, but he never referred to the matter. Say, he did not ever refer. Kipling was never born in London. Say, Kipling was not born. I never remember having met him. Say, I do not remember ever having met him. Rule 8. Except colloquially, so as an adverb of degree must not be used absolutely, i.e., without a correlative. We should say, he is very, not so, weak. Cricket is very, not so, uncertain. I was very, not so, lonely. Rule 9. That should not be used instead of so as an adverb. We should say, he went only so, not that far. He was so, not that tired that he could scarcely stand. He was so, not that, angry that he slammed the book on the table. Rule 10. The adverb to means more than enough and should not be used instead of very or much. In the following sentences to is used correctly. The news is too good to be true. My heart is too full for words. The work is too much for any man to do single-handed. He is too much exhausted to speak. Rule 11. Of course is often loosely used for certainly, undoubtedly. Strictly speaking, of course should be used to denote a natural or an inevitable consequence. Does she sing well? Certainly, not of course, she does.